Everybody, I am Tom from Tom's Music Shop, and this video is a special request. Somebody would like to see how this harmonica sounds. So I've got this piano tuner here. You can take a look at the iPad and watch the tones as they come through. There's a plus minus cent area here, so just take a look at that and let's see if the notes are consistent. So this is kind of a special harmonica. It's a really big honker that we got here. You've got several octaves on this bass harmonica. And the bass harmonica is something pretty interesting because there was some experimentation with it from the Beatles. I think also the Beach Boys used it. It's quite an unusual and expensive instrument. So let's just go through the notes on each of these combs and see how they sound. And F again. And now, I have a dog, a puppy, who just loves harmonica and accordion, and she will bark or sing along whenever I'm trying to test or tune something. Sometimes they need to get a little bit warm, the reeds, especially the lower ones. So you can see it needs to warm up a little bit. Some of them also, like this one, does have a little bit of an overblow. That there's two reeds in there, and if one of them kind of blows above and below its seating, it will do that oscillation a little bit. So in that case, you can blow a little softer. Maybe you can adjust it. But yeah, it's a relatively, I mean, it's a vintage harmonica, and taking these things apart and adjusting them, I would only really suggest doing that if you are really good at that or have an expert do it. Okay, so that's it. You can see that the notes are pretty well in tune. They do go a little bit higher as you go up the scale, partially here slightly above the green cent area, but I think it's still good enough for playing. And I'm asking about a third of the price or a quarter of the price of new. I believe these big harmonicas, this is the 268 model, they cost, I think, about $1,500–1,600 new. Whereas the 265 model is a smaller one. I think it's missing one octave, and that goes for about $800–900 new. So I believe that's it. If you have any questions, please put them here into the comment section down below. And thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. If you like what you see, you can subscribe to the channel. And hope you have a good day.